These are the front seat covers for the Jaguar XJ6 XJ12 models, Series 1 or Series 2. These are the narrow pleat versions, so we refer to them as 1-inch pleats, but that's not strictly the exact measurement. But basically you've got narrow pleat version like this, we call 1-inch, or you've got the wider pleat, which we call 2-inch. Again, 2-inch is not strictly true for the exact measurement, but nice ballpark figure. So they are leather faced as per original specification, meaning the bits that touch your body as you actually sit in them are leather, with the backs and the surrounds in vinyl. So just to go over the cushions and backrest, what's leather and what's vinyl. Basically these side panels here are leather and all of the pleated panel leather, and then the surrounds here and the retainer here are vinyl. And on the backrests, same again, side panels leather, pleated panel leather, retainer, and the surrounds and the top are vinyl. Just on the backrest as well, you also get some loose materials here to retrim the back area. As you can see up there, it's open at the top there. These are also the perforated embossed leather style. So as you can see there, we've got the embossed pattern on there. These aren't, these days, you can't actually perforate, physically put a hole in the leather, but they are embossed to replicate the original pattern. So you either get these as an option as plain or embossed perforated. So just show you them. So that's a cushion there, fairly simplistic. They are subtly handed. We always write the hand up there, obviously turn it the right way up, you'll be able to see. And then on the backing of these seats, they are sewn into an 18mm scrim foam. They have the genuine chuck and roll pleats, as you can see, going along here. You have the stitch seam across the centre there, well, not quite the centre, but near enough, as per original spec. We also attach foam to the side panels, and this is sewn into the side surrounds there, which is as per original specification. So you get a pair of cushion covers as per. Then the backrests, again, you obviously get the embossed pattern if that's what you want. You get the chrome socket for the headrest. Now note, the headrest covers are actually sold separately to the front seat kits, but that's always a standard put in there unless you tell us otherwise. And then on the backing there, same again, tuck and roll pleats as original. You get the seam line across the centre as original. You get the foams on the sides to help with the padding. On the backrest you also get scrim pre-sewn in these grey bits here. That helps you attach them to the actual seat foam and seat frame. You'll also note that the piping on this top area here changes thickness just on the surrounds here. So normally it's about 3mm core, that's about 4.5mm as per original spec. Originally that was actually made from a sort of paper card material. It's no longer available, but the plastic one that we use is the exact same thickness. So you get a pair of those backrests there. And then, as mentioned before, you get some miscellaneous materials here for retrimming the back, so look like Mickey Mouse. So you get a pair of those in vinyl. We can also offer the seats in full leather if you prefer, so contact us and then we make absolutely everything in leather for you. That's a set of front seats. As mentioned before, the headrests are sold separately, but these are the headrests which are going in part of the set. This gentleman over in America has bought a complete trim kit from us, so therefore all the seats, headrests, etc. are already included. So that's your set.